Here we go. We are at TacoTime on 196th Street Southwest in Lynnwood, Washington State, Snohomish County. I'm Tanis Coralee Leonhardi, she, her, hers, etc. And I'm at TacoTime, and I got a small order of their tater fries, and it is Wednesday to July 2025. And this is what a small order is. And I'm going to eat the whole box. They used to call them Mexi fries. I think they're still called Mexi fries. Served year round. It's a regional chain. TacoTime. I grew up eating these. One order is 235 calories. Comes in a cute little. It even shows what state I'm in. Cactus on Washington State. So good. So a tater is like the potato shredded and fried. So like I shortened, like if you've ever had hash browns, the potato pieces might be a little shorter. And it's like a nugget form instead of a patty. Very good. .44 out of 10, and thank you for joining me for this dining out.